Hello once again, Jose Rodriguez here. You know what? Often you will be shocked when you see a big chunk of that ink indicator, level indicator, drop. And it's like, whoa, what happened? I just printed a 5x7. How could it drop that much? Well, here's why. The chips control the ink levels by the information it receives from the printer as you are running your print jobs. Now, here's the problem. They do not drop gradually or analog style. It doesn't happen that way. They drop in almost 20% chunks. So, in the case of one question from a shocked user, they were using the PRO-1, and it turned out that they had, say, 4 colors that were well above the low warning, and they ran one little print, and all 4 of those dropped to low. And they were shocked. How could I possibly have used that much ink just performing one little print job? Well, again, it was because those 4 colors happened to have been right at that borderline position where the next hair worth of ink, boom, they would plummet to low warning. That's what happened. This is probably going to be the shortest video I have ever made. But keep aware that these chips cannot gradually tell you as ink is being used, visually showing you a gradual decrease in ink. In fact, they're not even that accurate, okay? So they will go down in big chunks, which might be shocking to you, but that's the way they work. All right, thank you so much. Again, I told you it was going to be short. Happy printing, everybody. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Happy printing. Bye-bye.